So President Trump forced to be in a New York City courtroom this week with a lot of really ugly, nefarious things going on, including the fact that the judge is ordering a Friday mandated schedule, which is unusual for the city of New York. And of course, that will exclude Orthodox Jews from being able to serve on the jury. And Orthodox Jews in New York are favorable to Donald Trump. They're going to rig the system. They're going to stack the deck against him any way they can. It is so appalling. Here was Trump outside the courtroom today talking about the political persecution that he's facing.
This is an assault on America. Nothing like this has ever happened before. There's never been anything like it. Every legal scholar says this case is nonsense. It should never have been brought. It doesn't deserve anything like this. There is no case, and they've said it. People that don't necessarily follow or like Donald Trump said this is an outrage that this case was brought. This is political persecution. This is a persecution like never before. Nobody's ever seen anything like it. And again, it's a case that should have never been brought. It's an assault on America. And that's why I'm very proud to be here. This is an assault on our country. And it's a country that's failing. It's a country that's run by an incompetent man who's very much involved in this case. This is really an attack on a political opponent. That's all it is. So I'm very honored to be here. Thank you very much.
He's right, of course. It's election interference on steroids. On steroids. And it's fascinating to me when I ask this question, what's going to happen when he gets convicted? People don't answer. I'm always stunned when my phones don't explode over a very important and powerful question like that. I'm going to try one more time and see if our lines light up, because they should. What's going to happen when Trump gets convicted in this so-called hush money case? Is it going to help him or is it going to hurt him? 800-655-MIKE. There's a lot of speculation. I mean, the whole goal is to get a conviction to turn Americans against him and to keep him from getting elected. This is 2020 on steroids. You want to talk election interference? We're seeing it right now in real time, courtesy of Alvin Bragg and Letitia James and these other corrupt scoundrels in New York. So again, I'm going to ask you one more time. What happens when he gets convicted, in your view?